Okay. Let's see if we can record her snoring. Pretty loud. Oh. Oh. Snoring. I don't know where the microphone is on this thing. Oh, there it is.
Super close up.
Dougie snore. This is after a day at doggy day camp. Well, and 2 bowls of food.
Hey, wake up.